It's a little bit faster, but don't worry at all. We're just here to have fun. So make sure you have enough space around you, everybody, so that you can move freely. And we'll start the music. Ready? Looks amazing. I think we have time to try it one more time with the music, but I want to challenge you guys to something. Okay? Can you all say sore, 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 sore? Yeah, nice and loud. We want to be able to hear it from all the way on the other side of the event. Okay? So when you're doing this move, yeah, sore, 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 sore. Try singing it with that move, okay? All right, we'll play the music one more time. This will be the final time. Dancing the Yosakoi with us. Once again, we are Sakuramai Toronto. We are a Yosakoi dance group. We perform all over the GTA, sometimes across Canada, sometimes in Japan. You can follow us on Instagram at Sakuramai TO. So that's Sakuramai as in cherry blossom, and then MIA, TO for Toronto. Thank you so much. We are so honored to be here to celebrate Asian Heritage Month with y'all. And I hope you guys learned something, hope you had fun. Enjoy the rest of the event.